As we discussed, primary responsibility is to clean and maintain guest rooms, public areas, back areas, and surroundings. All housekeeping activities are coordinated from one place called Housekeeping Control Desk. Housekeeping Control Desk works in close to Executive Housekeeper office. That's why Office of Executive Housekeeper and Control Desk are also found side by side. Executive Housekeeper is the head of housekeeping department. So all instructions are passed through Housekeeping Control Desk. Control Desk Supervisor receives all instructions, messages, complaints, and also keeps records of what work has been assigned to whom and maintains the journal follow-up of the same. Housekeeping Control Desk also handles lost and found. Lost and founds are the lost items found in guest rooms, public areas, or back areas. These are also submitted at Control Desk by housekeeping attendants. As EHK office and Housekeeping Control Desk work side by side, let's consider it as one section. For better understanding of different housekeeping staff and their positions, I'll soon upload a video on organization structure or hierarchy of housekeeping department. Once uploaded, you can check I button above and link will be provided in the description below. Next section we have is laundry. Laundry is the area where all kind of linen is washed and ironed, whether it's a bedsheet, bath towel, tablecloth, runner, etc. Even hotel staff uniform and guest articles are also laundered here. Dry cleaning facility is also provided. A hotel could have its own laundry inside hotel premises called on-premises laundry, or could even make a contract with some outside laundry called off-premises laundry. Once the linen and staff uniforms are laundered, it is sent to linen and uniform room. Remember guys, guest clothes are directly collected and sent from laundry to guest rooms. There is a separate space in laundry to deal with guest laundry articles, and the personnel who deal with guest laundry is called laundry valet. As we already told you, except guest articles, all linen and hotel staff uniforms are sent to linen and uniform room, which is our next section of housekeeping. All linen articles such as bedsheet, towels, pillowcases, tablecloths, etc. are stored in linen room, and alongside linen room there is a uniform room where uniform of all hotel staff is kept and distributed. Inside the linen and uniform room there is also a showing area too, where the tailor does all work related to stitching, mending, patching, altering, etc. Tailor may be provided a separate cabin, room, or simply a showing table with cabinet at the back. Horticulture department. In horticulture there are two key areas. One is gardening and another is flower arrangement. Gardening is handled by gardeners, who is responsible for landscaping, bushes, hedges, flowers, etc. And flower arrangement is the responsibility of florists to make flower arrangement in all areas of hotels such as guest rooms, lobby, lounge area, banquets, etc. There may be a separate flower room with work tables, sink, cupboards and other required supply, or complete flower arrangement may be outsourced. Next crucial area is pest control. Housekeeping detects the pest in or around the hotel and organizes their control or eradication. Normally this work is now outsourced on contract basis. In the end, we have housekeeping stores and floor pantries. Obviously, housekeeping will handle its own store where housekeeping equipment, cleaning supplies, guest stationeries and amenities are kept. As hotel is a large establishment, so it's not feasible for a housekeeping personnel to come to a common housekeeping store for all his requirement. So many stores are created on each floor called housekeeping pantries for power supply of linen, guest room amenities, cleaning chemicals, etc. so that they don't have to rush to housekeeping store every time and waste their time and energy.